Now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll stake my case of your time certain. I live life this full, I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this I did in my way.
Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so be true, without exemption. I played each careful course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way.
Yes, there were times I surely knew that I beat off more than I cared to, but you know there is doubt. I did well and spit it out. I placed it all, and I stood tall and did it my way.
I loved, I laughed and cried, had my fill, my share of losing, and now a series of times I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way, no, not me. I did it my way.
For the war is a man, what has you got? If not himself, then he has not to say the word he truly feels, and that the words nears. The ragged shows I to the rose and did it my way. The ragged shows